Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you what is the best way to water the succulents. So you don't want to water succulents from top to down, because if you pour them water, the water might sit in the ground and it can attract bugs like mealybugs, aphids. So the best way I realized over a year of growing succulent is basically watering up down. So what I do is I essentially first inspect all the pots to make sure that they're all very dry. Like in this case, you see the soil is very dry, it's very light as well. If I just shake a little bit, they all are wobbling because they really don't have much weight. And there is another couple of succulent here which are right now getting water in the basically the bottom up approach. So here you can see this particular succulent, the core has become little wet. It's because it has sucked up the water from the ground, and this is the best way, because once you know that your pot has saturated the water, you can remove them. And there are still some pots like this one, if you see, it's still red, it has not gone wet yet. So I will leave them for a couple of hours till it becomes wet. So the nice thing about this is basically they drink water from the root, like the bottom. So all of these pots have a lot of holes in the bottom, so they take water from the bottom, and because of capillary action and soil particles, they try to absorb the water from bottom up. So it really saturates water very well without having any root rot issue or any problem whatsoever. And the best part about this is it also reduces your water consumption. So as you see here, the water doesn't really get wasted if you do this top-down approach. And the same water I'm going to throw to my other plants, so it's kind of recycling the water, saving the water. And I think that's the best part about growing succulent, is you save a lot of water. In this case, this plant is like now 3-year-old plant, Echeveria eboni eguard, and then there is another Echeveria eguard cyrus. And I'm going to now, I have some water which has liquid seaweed and humic fulvic acid. So I'm going to take some water here, and I will just, as you see here, I'm just going to pour here. So these plants will start absorbing this water from bottom up approach. And I typically fill half of this plastic bucket and let them sip the water for like couple of hours. And usually these are in the big pot, so they need typically once every 15 days if it is too hot, and if it is not that hot, it's typically once in a month, and that is still okay. So that's the nice thing about growing them, is you don't really have to worry about too much about the watering thing. You can do it by hand watering, and it's very satisfying to see this water which has some seaweed and humic fulvic acids. And all of them are showing pretty good sign of growth. This is Echeveria German Champagne, Lilac Mist, Moonstone, and Morning Bird. Along with that, there is a new Echeveria, I don't recall the name of that. So next time you water, just try this method, and I'm sure you're going to love this method because they grow really nice, they do really well. Only thing you need to make sure is that before you put plant on this water, make sure they don't smell bad, like if the roots are already rotting, and they all are healthy. And that's the only thing you need to remember, and everything else is pretty good then. So thanks for watching this, and I hope you like succulents like I do. Bye.